Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Listary with File Explorer on Windows in this complete 2026 guide. Integrating Listary with File Explorer allows you to search for files and folders instantly without leaving the current window, making file management much faster and more efficient. Let's get started. First, make sure Listary is installed and running on your Windows PC. You should see the Listary icon in the system tray near the clock. If it's not running, open it from the Start menu. Next, open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E*, or clicking the File Explorer icon on your taskbar. Once File Explorer is open, click inside any folder and activate Listary using its default hotkey, or by double-pressing the Control key if that feature is enabled in your version of Listary. Now type the name of the file or folder you're looking for. Listary will instantly display matching results from your computer. Simply select the desired result and press Enter* to open it immediately. To customize how Listary works with File Explorer, right-click the Listary system tray icon and open Settings*. Review the integration and hotkey options, then adjust them to match your workflow. You can also enable additional features, such as quick commands and favorite folders if they're available in your version. If Listary doesn't appear inside File Explorer, restart both Listary and File Explorer. You can also restart your computer to refresh Windows services. Make sure you're using the latest version of Listary for the best compatibility with Windows. Once everything is configured correctly, you'll be able to locate files and folders much faster without manually browsing through multiple directories. And that's how you can integrate Listary with File Explorer on Windows in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.